All right, let's get right to it and talk about 3 sales skills that will set you apart in the windshield repair industry. In my opinion, these tips will help you regardless if you're selling yourself, a product, or a service because the fundamentals are all the same. These 3 things might seem like common sense to some, but you won't believe how many people overlook these or try too hard to focus on one thing. So here we go. Number 1, be an active listener. It is important that you actively listen to your potential customer. Give feedback. You'll show that you've been listening and not just hearing, and that you genuinely understand their problem and you're ready to provide your solution. Number 2, know your stuff. This is where you educate them on the benefits of windshield repair and let them sell themselves. Your delivery needs to be smooth and you should have the proper balance of swagger and confidence. Number 3, have empathy. Put yourself in your prospect's shoes. Would you buy what you're selling? If you can't answer yes to this, then you're selling the wrong service. So in summary, affirm what they say, repeat it back, give feedback, and summarize their needs and give them your solution. There you have it, 3 quick tips on helping you crush it in the windshield repair game. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact us.